అరైవల్ అనేది కంపల్సరీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. పోర్చుగీస్, డచ్, ఇంగ్లీష్, డానిష్ అండ్ ఫ్రెంచ్. Now out of 5 European companies, except English East India Company, remaining all European companies happen to be government organizations. We found a question. PSUs, public sector undertakings. Take an example of RTC. RTC is a PSU. Except English East India Company, remaining Portuguese, remaining European companies, maybe Portuguese, maybe Dutch, Danish, French, all happen to be government organizations. Now you have to understand the differences between government organizations and private organizations. Why government organizations are getting diminished? Why private organizations reaching to the celestial heights? You have to apply to the present. What are the defects with government organizations? What are the advantages in private organizations? అది ఆర్టీసీ బస్సు కానివ్వండి, ప్రైవేట్ బస్సు కానివ్వండి, ప్రైవేట్ స్కూల్ కానివ్వండి, గవర్నమెంట్ స్కూల్ కానివ్వండి, ప్రైవేట్ కాలేజ్ కానివ్వండి, గవర్నమెంట్ కాలేజ్ కానివ్వండి. అది ఏమైనా గవర్నమెంట్ పిల్లలు ఉంటే దండం పెడతాను, నేను జనరల్ చెప్తున్నాను. మా నాన్న హెడ్ మాస్టర్ సార్, మా నాన్నలో నేను వినవాను మాట్లాడదు, నేను జనరల్ చెప్తున్నాను. So there are so many defects which we found in public sector organization, that is like Portuguese, Dutch, Danish and French. Now because of these defects, English East India Company got victory, got command over these companies, and the same English East India Company also got command over Indian commerce. దీన్ని మనం చాలా పాస్గా ఏమంటున్నామంటే getting command over commercial affairs of Indian subcontinent. The same English East India Company gave 3 blows to French East India Company, another famous European company on Indian soil. In fact, we found constant conflicts, constant wars between England and France. Where? On European context. These conflicts were brought to India by their pillar companies, English East India Company and French East India Company. So European conflicts between France and England. So these conflicts brought to India. Throughout history, we found conflicts between England and France. And the same traditionally enmity countries became united thanks to the First World War of 1914-1918. మనం ఇందాక రెఫర్ చేశాం. First World War of 1914-1918. One of the countries in triple entity, England and అదేంటి throughout history we found ugly conflicts. పచ్చగడ్డి వేసిన మాడి మసే బయటకు వచ్చి మసి కూడా కనిపించదు అన్నమాట. మరి అలాంటి కంట్రీస్ హౌ డిడ్ దే జాయిన్ అనేది లైక్ we generally discuss as part of all list because of various calculations in that, right? So by giving 2 blows, English first Carnatic War, English East India Company and French East India Company, wherein French East India Company got victory. Second Carnatic War, the same French East India Company defeated by English East India Company. In a nutshell, by defeating French East India Company, English East India Company emerged as supreme, and all the settlements of the respective European companies were taken by English East India Company. That's it. So Portuguese, Dutch, English, Danish and French. So whenever you observe, whenever you read the respective topic called Advent of the Europeans, European companies evitunayo, adi Portuguese, Dutch, English, Danish, French. The respective European companies have landed on Indian soil with 2 motives. One is commercial motives and second one is very good. Second one is missionary zeal, because they had to take permission from Pope, the spiritual head of Christianity. Pope used to give permission on one condition. నాకేంటి 116 తీసుకో, 116లతో పాటు you have to involve in propagation of what? Propagation of Christianity. This is one of the major reasons why today Christianity is enjoying the status called largest religion on the earth. Until 18th century, Islam enjoyed the tag called largest religion on the earth. So 18th century, Islam was replaced by Christianity. Because this is one of the major reasons, right? So one of the Christian missionaries by name Saint Francis Xavier, we found questions on Saint Francis Xavier. Saint Francis Xavier one of the famous Christian missionaries belonged to Roman Catholic sect. Having Jainism, we have sects, Buddhism sects, Hinduism sects, Islam sects. Apply the same towards Christianity. We have two major sects. What were they? Roman Catholics and Protestants. It's quite interesting to know. Out of 5 European companies, out of 5 European companies, except English is the company which brought Protestant sect of Christian missionaries. The remaining all European companies brought Roman Catholic. Thereby, we found in India Protestant sect and Roman. Even today, in England, Protestant sect is an official sect in England today. Even today. The remaining countries, we found what do we call Roman Catholic sect of Christianity. Now come to Saint Francis Xavier, the famous Roman Catholic sect of Christianity. There was a Christian missionary, Christamata Prabodhakudu antam Telugulo. So he came to India along with Portuguese East India Company. Especially there was a governor of Portuguese East India Company. Can anyone? Asar per untadi? Martin Alfonso de Souza. In Tirtale was sir, Martin Alfonso de Souza is the name of the governor of Portuguese East India Company. Along with Alfonso de Souza, Saint Francis Xavier came to India, got involved in expansion or propagation of gospel of Jesus. Because of his what we call propagation, the fishermen of what we call Goa, the fishermen of Nagapatnam got converted to Christianity. According to tradition, for about 2 lakhs plus fishermen got converted to Christianity because of the efforts of Saint Francis Xavier. Right? It's all about Saint Francis Xavier.